Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the spiked Suzette stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then make 1 double crochet into that same chain with that single crochet. Skip 1 chain into this next one, work the same thing, a single crochet and a double crochet into this next chain. Skip 1 chain into this next one, work a single crochet and a double crochet together. Skip 1 chain into this next one, work a single crochet and double crochet into the same chain. Now you're going to repeat this sequence of skip a chain, then work a single crochet and a double crochet into the next chain until you reach the end of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. We're going to continue our sequence of 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet, but we are going to bring in our spike stitches. Skip 2 stitches. We're now going to be working into these spaces in between our stitches. So we have 2 stitches here and a space right here, 2 stitches and a space. Into this space, make a single crochet. Now we're going to make our double crochet spike stitches. You're going to make your double crochet into this chain right here under this space. So it's going to be this chain right here, and make a double crochet like normal. And that's how it's going to look. Skip 2 stitches into the space between stitches, make a single crochet. Then make that double crochet into this chain right below this space. So right here. Skip 2 stitches into the space between stitches, make a single crochet. Then make that double crochet into this chain below that stitch. And it's going to look like that. You're going to repeat this sequence of skipping 2 stitches, make a single crochet into the space between stitches, and then that double crochet spike into the chain below until you reach the last 2 stitches of your row. When you reach the last 2 stitches of your row, skip 1 and then into the last stitch of your row, make a single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Row 3 is going to be similar to row 2. We're just going to be working into stitches instead of this chain that we were working into. So you're going to skip 1 stitch into the space between stitches. You're going to make that single crochet, and then into a stitch below, you're going to make a double crochet. You are not going to be working into this double crochet. You're going to be working into previous single crochets. So it's going to be this one right here, and you're just going to make that double crochet spike like normal You're going to skip 2 stitches. This is where our sequence starts again. Into this space between stitches, you're going to make that single crochet and then double crochet into a previous single crochet below. So that's how it's going to look. Skip 2 stitches into the space between them, single crochet, and then double crochet into a single crochet below to make that spike stitch. Now you're going to start repeating this sequence until you reach the last stitch of your row. Into this stitch, work a single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now repeat row 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the spiked Suzette stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.